Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to follow not interested topics on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's dive right in and make your experience smoother and more personalized. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a vertical menu with various options. Scroll down and click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. From here, click on Privacy and Safety to access settings related to your content preferences. Now, locate the Content You See option and click on it. This section allows you to customize what appears in your feed. Within this menu, select Topics. This is where all the topics recommended or followed by you are listed. Once inside the Topics section, scroll down until you find the Not Interested category. This is where X groups topics you've marked as irrelevant or unappealing. If you want to start following any of these topics, despite previously marking them as not interesting, simply click the Follow button next to the topic of your choice. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily revisit and follow topics from the Not Interested category whenever you change your mind. This feature ensures that your feed remains flexible and tailored to your evolving interests. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to explore these settings further to optimize your experience on X.